Good morning. I'm heading for my morning pool time, and I can tell you, I am glad today. I can tell I walked out here, and let me show you a little bit that the people are back. It's been carnival here for about 5 days, and so everything's kind of been, some things have been closed, and it's a time where a lot of the locals leave the city and go into like the interior of the country, to their homes to celebrate carnival with their families, which is awesome, right? However, it's been looking bad. I've been missing my people that are keeping everything looking nice and clean around the pool area. So they're back today. Yay! I'm like, yay, they're back. They're mopping. So yes, we're going back to normal. Things looking good, looking good. Some of my favorite restaurants have been closed. It hasn't been like a bank holiday per se, but a lot of those extra things have been closed. So we're back. Swim time was good today. It's always good, right? We're in paradise. So curious about your morning routine. How do you get your exercise? Talk to me, talk back in the comments. Let me know what you're doing to stay fit so that you can have fun and so you can live, right? I'm working on it, I have to say, especially when it comes to, as you guys can probably tell, all those snacks, right? I usually try to switch up my morning exercise between swimming, biking, and pickleball. Sometimes the pickleball is later in the evening, so just try to adjust my schedule for those things. So back in the apartment now. Usually Craig is a morning lounger, so sometimes he sleeps in his retirement. But today it looks like he is up and he has made the coffee already. Nice. Usually try to get breakfast going. He enjoys breakfast in the morning. So, and I enjoy preparing it for him and for both of us. Today I am doing just a plantain and eggs and a sausage for him. But I do try different things. Sometimes I do French toast and then polenta, which is like the Panama version of grits, polenta. And sometimes we just have pastries with coffee and fruit, but do usually try to incorporate fruit. Today I am out of it today. The watermelon's usually really good here, and then the papaya is really good. And then I also incorporate mango into the morning routine as well. So yeah, those are the things. I find that if we can get a good breakfast in, that's a really good start for our day. And also Craig normally is out and about in the afternoon, so this is a good start for his day as well. Yeah, after breakfast, after I cook, we sit down for breakfast and kind of talk about what we expect is going to happen throughout the day, talk about the kiddos, that normal stuff, chill for a bit. I usually will clean the kitchen and then start working on some videos to share with you guys, while Craig normally has an exercise routine that he does as well. So, but this is usually how we start our mornings. The oil that I'm using is coconut oil that I got from PriceSmart here. That's like the Costco of Panama. So yeah, and it's really good. I would recommend that. And also, people ask often what types of food are local to this region. And so what I'm cooking here, the plantain, this is like a sweet plantain, and it is something that's local to like Central America or Latin America, like Jamaica, the Caribbean. And so this is a sweet one, and it's quite easy to make, but it's like a starch as well. I liken it to like a potato, but you get them in restaurants often too. That's right, enough said. Now we can spend the rest of our day exploring and enjoying beautiful Panama. That's right, you know what's next. Be blessed.